back to our YouTube channel. We went to Ocean Mart down in Midvale, and we have lots of items. They're all very ethnic. I've never had a single one of them before. So. Yeah, so we have the lychee bar. Yeah, there you go. There's clear. Yeah, like they're a little yellow, like there's like a little spots in there. Can you see? If you're ever running late to school, you can just pop one of these in your mouth. You didn't try it. I did try it. It's good. It's like fine milk. No. So we're gonna have to sample everything though, so we don't want to get too full. Overall rating, I mean, I think it's so cute and like so cheap. So that gives it like 2 stars out of 5, and taste was 0.5. So 2.5 out of 5 stars. I think it's a 9 out of 10 only because there's only 4 per package. Is there more? 10 out of 10. Okay. Anyway, so next up we're doing yen yen. Yen yen. So pop them a little. So you have the little sticks. That's what it looks like on the inside. First thoughts. Why does it say starfish? Look, octopus 8 arms. Starfish G-star. G-star. I've tried all of this before, so it's not new. You tried the most basic flavor. You have to like it. I mean, I ate the starfish. What? I mean, it's good. I like it. Okay. Oh, the compilation of all the broken drumsticks. Oh. I mean, okay. This time I like the sayings. I think the sayings make it. Okay. The sayings, yeah. I mean, I didn't want to throw up that time, so pretty good. We have the coconut milk. I've tried coconut milk before, but not this one. The only milk that I drink is breast milk. Oh, you have to peel. So you did it. What are you doing? I can't open it. Oh, that's. Oh, I like that. Ow, it's stuck on my finger. Drink it. It's water milk. Here, try mine. Next, we have our. This is the Grand Ramune. There you go. We have grape gum. Can I take one packet? Yeah, of course. Grape gum. It's so cute. It's made in Nyoga, Japan. There's no instructions how to eat it. There's lots of wrapping. Yeah. Oh, this is cute. Does it have a sticker inside? They're like little balls. It is cute. I've never had grape gum in my life before. This is good. I know. Isn't it cute? It's a 10 soft. Aww. Cute little soft gum. This is good. So I think in order from my favorite to my least favorite, this, and this, and then the popsicle, and this freaking water milk. Anyways, now that big shout out to our friends Kay and Matthias, who got graduated today. So without them, we never would have been out of my house in my hole. It's good. So this is our mukbang vlog with our weird Asian food. Make sure to leave us a huge thumbs up. Thumbs now. And hit the subscribe button. And during that notifications bell. What's our catchphrase? Die in a hole.